Asian countries like Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, Indonesia and India have very high UV index readings. However, most of the whitening formulations can only temporarily lighten pigmentation or suppress melanin production but cannot completely eliminate UV-induced free radicals. Thus, these free radicals continue to stimulate melanin production, resulting in dark spots. As an Asian, haven't you experienced poor results from whitening skincare before? ELKEN YUKI rewrites whitening history. Not only does it enhance skin translucence, it also eliminates free radicals. ELKEN YUKI uses Nobel Prize-winning discovery, RS, and 24 kinds of 100% natural plant extracts, a 21st century breakthrough in whitening technology. ELKEN YUKI's Nobel Prize-winning discovery, the patented RS, is one of nature's most precious mineral. Each RS molecule has 32 dimensions that automatically rotate to absorb large numbers of free radicals. The antioxidant effect of RS is 172 times stronger than vitamin C. Only with the continuous elimination of free radicals can we totally eradicate the root cause of dark spots. ELKEN YUKI uses the patented ActiSoothe and AL protector that combines 6 premium plant extracts from United States and Japan. They calm 38% of peeling skin and prevent inflammation from continuously stimulating melanin production. ELKEN YUKI also contains GX White that is produced from 11 plant extracts found in Switzerland. 7 of these originate from the Alps mountain range and they possess superior defense against UV rays and extreme climate changes. GX White is able to tackle the root cause of melanocyte by suppressing tyrosinase activity by up to 93%. ELKEN YUKI can accelerate cell metabolism up to 67% and restore newfound brilliance to skin. Apart from that, ELKEN YUKI also combines 10 precious moisturizing ingredients to effectively enhance skin moisture by up to 52%, suitable for sensitive and mature skin. Clinical research has proven that 100% of people experience brighter skin after 3 weeks of using ELKEN YUKI. Dark spots diminish, skin becomes brighter and more even-toned. ELKEN YUKI, international accreditation and certification. A total skin whitening solution with 4-in-1 action, eliminates free radicals, anti-inflammatory, suppresses melanin production and diminishes dark spots. A fact that all Asian women must know.